Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Neve. I have returned to Seoul, South Korea, and I am so happy to be here. Our first destination, Paris. The next destination. Woohoo! It's Remy. Remy the rat. I was just talking about getting a toy from the other day. He has a baguette and he has just a hat. I want him. We did it. We made it to Incheon and the subway is arriving. Let's go. Yay, back in Korea and the weather is so nice. It's giving warm autumn. I'm currently out pounding the pavement with nothing but Delulu and a dream. I was like, just get me on the street, I'll figure it out. But I was so disorientated. I'm trying to power walk because I want to make a tour that's at 10 a.m. and it's 9:20. So let's see. Well, look what delusion and a dream gets you. I made it here, check the time, on time, ready for the tour. I hope I'm not the only one attending, but this place, it's so nice and pretty. And it's gonna have orange leaves. I'm excited. I can't wait to learn more. It's a ducky. Quack, quack. And I did not say I am at this shrine. I will update you with the correct pronunciation of it after the tour when I've heard it a few times and know how to actually pronounce it. And this is what we're waiting for. Sunday, English, 10 a.m. 60 minutes. Here's Jungmo Shrine. The tour just finished, so now I will try and share everything I can remember that I just learned with you all. Education. This is the main shrine, but it's going to be under renovation until August 2025. So I will take you over to the miniature model. Here is the mini model of the main shrine. This was for, let me get that. The main shrine was for more notable people, kings who had achieved something big. Who did she say was in chamber 1? Oh, I can't remember. He did something. Oh, I actually don't remember, that's bad. But I know King Sejong is in chamber 3. Oh, also apparently when Japan invaded Korea, the king fled to the north from here and he took all the wooden spirit boxes. So then the Japanese soldiers didn't know what this building was, so then they were taking refuge in it at night. But then she said something weird happened and they all died. So then they realized what the place was, that the spirits were being kept in here. So then the Japanese burnt it down. This is the second shrine and it was for less notable people. And this chamber, they put the last crown prince of Korea, I believe. The ground here is all random stones, jagged and rough, so that it forces you to walk slowly and carefully and solemnly around, and also it helps the water drain if it rains and stops it from flooding. This building is where they would do the ritual music. These are the descendants of the king and the crowned prince. Also, this wasn't on the tour, but somebody asked when Korea became a republic, and Korea became a republic in 1948. Fun fact. The middle of the path is raised here to allow the spirit to get by, and then there's this sign here telling you do not walk on the pathway, as this is for the spirits. But people were walking on it and they didn't seem to actually mind. But yeah, special elevated platform for the spirits. And then the duck I was admiring earlier, who's still there, looks a bit dead. I'll have to check on him. This tree in the middle of the lake is a juniper wood tree. So shout out to all my Riverdale fans. Someone confirm in the comments that this is a sleeping duck and not a dead duck. Thank you. Inside this building, which I'm not going to go inside again because you have to take your shoes off and I'm just don't want to do that hustle again. I'm hungry. There was an example of spirit tablets in there that have 6 holes on like every side, top and bottom, to allow the spirit to easily get in. And they also offer raw meat and raw grains to the spirits because that's what they used to eat. So to honor their traditions, they still give them raw meat and raw grains. They place the pickled stuff on the west and dry goods on the east because the sun rises in the east. This building is for the crowned prince. This one is for the king, and this one is where the king would wash his body and mind before a ritual. This highest platform is where the king would wait, and this lower one is where the crown prince would wait until 1:15 a.m. to start the ritual, and they would go in there, which is the main shrine. This big platform is where they would lay the food for the ritual to check the cleanliness of it since it was all raw. And then this lower platform is where they would put sacrificial animals like cows, pigs and sheep. The buildings here are similar to the palace, but they're without all the embellishments and decorations. Since this is a place of mourning, they wanted to give it a more somber atmosphere. Pretty, pretty. And I think that brings us to the end of my visit and your tour. Now I think it's time to go get some lunch. So, Katja, let's go. He lives. Oh, slay, slay. Everyone just wowed. Níl aon scommel sa spare. There is not a cloud in the sky. I'm borderline gonna get sunburnt. Oh my gosh. My sunglasses were at the bottom of my suitcase, so I left them behind. Wow. Look how pretty. I love Seoul. Our first sighting of the trip of the end Seoul Tower. Slay. Damn, he's got a built-in ball. First of many convenience store visits this trip. Let's go inside.
A few moments later.
Never mind, there was no triangle kimbap left, so CU it is. Oh my gosh, this CU has the Sanrio drinks, pom pom corn and kurumi. I'm definitely gonna try them. Literally, both convenience stores a bust for triangle kimbap. I'll just get my drink here instead of a drink in a convenience store with my sandwich. We're having Isaac Toast kiwi juice and the Isaac Toast potato sandwich. It's basically like a hash brown, egg, sweet sauce and cheese. Yummy! Waterfall. Breathe if you agree that they should make that shell looking thing a helter skelter. I know, right? That's a bit contradicting, but we move. They're putting up the Christmas tree. This display was so good last year. The music was slapping. Can't wait. This is new. Oh my gosh, this giant Kmart has taken over the old Nature Republic Green Cafe. It's huge. Yes, the rumors are true. I have returned to Seoul, South Korea. Absolutely beyond sleep deprived right now, and the day is far from over. The weather is way nicer than I was expecting, which I'm not complaining about, but my outfits will need some tweaking. My plan for right now is to rest my feet for a second, charge my phone up, and then I want to walk or maybe get the bus up to Namsan. Not up the tower, just the mountain, I guess, to watch the sunset. My first day in Seoul, why not? And then come back down, go to a place that's actually near my hotel for dinner, then probably wander over to Myeongdong for some street food dessert. And then I seriously need an early night and a sheet mask. My skin is so dry, my lips are beyond dry. I want to get back outside because the weather's so nice, but I'm also so tired. And I'm wearing the same outfit I wore last time I came to Korea. Actually, that's a lie. I'm only wearing the same top. It's been a great day so far. We can catch up more when I'm back. I don't want to waste the person's daytime. I was just walking around the city, just like, wow. I love this place, but also I'm so tired that every so often it feels like, I don't know, I'm in a wave pool or something and I'm like, whoa, tap back into reality, girl. So let's see how we go, eh? Oh my gosh, I know that city. I will be hitting this up later. The gate, I'd say she's gorgeous, but the sun is kind of drowning her out. There is literally no better snack. I'm so happy. Look what's in front of me. Wow, we got the city wall out here. I think it's gonna guide us all the way up to Namsan. Let's go. The walk is supposed to take like an hour, so wish me luck. I mightn't even make it before sunset. Yeah, I'm nowhere near that. But I mean, the sun still looks pretty high in the sky, so we'll see how I go. Just a little gym in case the stairs weren't excruciating enough for you. I should just stop here. The view would actually be pretty good from here. Wow. Look at that giant spider. Oh, there he is. We're getting close. I see the cable car. That means we're there. Damn, look at all those chickens, but they're not chickens, they're locks. And look, it's the giant duck that I love so much. There she is. Now I need to sit for at least 5 hours. Let's find a spot. Oh my gosh, water. I'll be needing that, thank you. This is happening. Pretty sure this is on now, but they're kids, so I'm not gonna film them. What a surprise, there's actually a bin. So worth it. I knew it would be. Oh my gosh, I love Dippin' Dots. I want. These magnets are so pretty. Look at all that autumn foliage. And look, there's Lotte Tower. I think the sun is set, so I'm gonna walk down. So the view probably would have been better from down here because it would have set. Oh, this statue is for the comfort women. So important. Just walked all these steps. But you know, it's always easier going down than it is up. Now you can see the gate in all its glory. It's so pretty. Every time I stop walking, my legs are shaking from walking down that mountain. Oh my. Let's attack.
12 seconds later.
Okay, change of plans. I'm actually not all that hungry, so I'm just gonna go to Myeongdong and get some street food and get some drinks, as in breakfast drinks for tomorrow. So let's go. The new vegan version of the iconic banana milk. But the deal is for 3 and I would only want 1. Definitely get one of these tomorrow. Fun. Cute milk. This pineapple coconut sounds delish, but I hate when there's no prices on things. Mochi ice cream. I have to get it, sorry. There was no price on the frozen mochi, but when I got to the counter, it was in the buy one get one free. So now I have 4 frozen mochis and 0 freezers to my name. Ignore that I'm still on Irish time. It's 10 to 8 p.m. and I'm clocking it in. We're calling it a night. I lasted this long, which was very trooper-like of me. For today's mini haul, we have some peach aid, strawberry milk to drink with my aid, buy one get one free, the peach frozen mochi looking exciting thing, buy one get one free, and a snail sheet mask because I am dying for some hydration.
The next day.
Hello there. I didn't really end last night's vlog, so I'm here. Day 2, morning to that now. I literally came back to the hotel, put on a sheet mask. As soon as the sheet mask was on, I fell asleep. I woke up, the sheet mask was on the other side of the bed, and my skin was hydrated. My plan for this trip is to make daily vlogs, fingers crossed, and then once I'm home, post them pretty close together. When I ate the peach mochi things that I got, it was mochi ice cream, but then a little, not candied, but kind of like a tinned peach, like wet and sweet, bit of peach in the middle. They were really delicious. That's everything from day 1. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Feel free to give it a thumbs up, I guess, and subscribe to my channel for more vlogs, more content. See you in day 2. Bye!